Qashqai Nissan 2012. The customer have the complaint that the air condition is not cooling. We will check the electric to the compressor, it's coming or not coming. If the positive current is coming to compressor, then it means the coil is gone, coil of compressor then. Let's check, first of all let's check the electricity of voltage coming to the clutch, voltage coming to the coil of compressor. First let's check that one. So the electric, we start the compressor. We connect to the negative and we will check whether the positive current is coming to compressor or not. So guys, the positive current, the yellow wire, this one, it is the voltage for compressor. Now we took negative current with the help of light. I check the positive current is coming, which means the compressor is receiving the positive current, but it is not working. The coil is not working. Let's check what is the fault in the coil and repair it. First we check the car. Now we will open the tire to reach to the coil of compressor. So we remove the tire. Now we will remove this cover. We remove the cover, this cover and this cover. One was this side, one was this side. We remove it. We can see the clutch here now. Now we will remove this belt. This is the tensioner. We will loosen it and remove the belt, and then we will open the clutch, then open the pulley, then we will get the coil. So let's remove the belt before. This is the tensioner. We loosen this one, remove the belt. Now we will open this coil. Now we will open the bolt from clutch. Now we will take out this clutch. We remove the 10th bolt from here. Now we will fix the 12th bolt, use as a puller to take the clutch outside. You guys can see how easily I removed this one. Now we will open the lock from the pulley, so we can get the pulley out from there. We remove the locker. You can see the difference both sides. This side is straight and this side is curved. Now we will fix the 10 bolt back and connect the puller support of this and remove the pulley outside. We connect the puller. We will tie it this bolt. As we tied this bolt, it will force here and pull the pulley outside from these 3 points. 1 point this side, 1 point here, 1 point here. We remove the pulley. Now problem is now you guys can see this point or this point. First we will clean this point and see whether the some electronic chip is inside there. When this get damaged, coil stop working. So we will cancel this one, make it direct and fix back everything. Now we will take the wheel outside and repair it outside. This is the lock. First of all, we will open the lock and we remove the coil outside. Now let's check which place the chip or the electronic chip is installed. Now we grind this one with wire brush and remove the glue, and we got the resistor here. This resistor is faulty, so we will make direct this resistor and cancel this resistor. This screw will start working and this screw will start making magnet.